Analog clocks. These clocks use two hands to tell the time. The shorter hand dictates the hour, and the longer hand dictates the minutes of the hour. Sometimes, analog clocks have a third hand to count seconds. The time is determined by where on the clock face the hands are pointing. The shorter hand movement from one number to the next number is 1 hour. The longer hand movement from one number to the next number is 5 minutes. When the longer hand is exactly on 12 and the shorter hand is on any other number, then we say, "It is that number o'clock." For example, the time here is 2 o'clock. Understanding the 12-hour clock. The 12-hour clock uses ante-meridium, for the morning, and PM, post-meridium, for the afternoon. 12 p.m. is noon, midday, and 12 a.m. is midnight. Understanding the 24-hour clock. The 24-hour clock, also known as military time, does not use AM and PM. It counts hours from midnight to 23:59. Therefore, the hours from 1 p.m. to 11:59 p.m. are represented by adding 12 to the hour. For example, 1 p.m. is 1300 hours, 2 p.m. is 1400 hours, and so on. To convert 12-hour format to 24-hour format, we will add 12. For example, 11 p.m. plus 12 equals 2300 hours. To convert 24-hour format to 12-hour format, we will subtract 12. For example, 2300 hours minus 12 equals 11 p.m. (12 a.m.) 1 a.m. 2 a.m. 3 a.m. 4 a.m. 5 a.m. 6 a.m. 7 a.m. 8 a.m. 9 a.m. 10 a.m. 11 a.m. 12 p.m. 1 p.m. 2 p.m. 3 p.m. 4 p.m. 5 p.m. 6 p.m. 7 p.m. 8 p.m. 9 p.m. 10 p.m. 11 p.m. 12 a.m. 8:05 a.m. 5 minutes after 8 or 5 minutes past 8. 8:10 a.m. 10 minutes after 8 or 10 minutes past 8. 8:15 a.m. 15 minutes after 8 or 15 minutes past 8. 8:20 a.m. 20 minutes after 8 or 20 minutes past 8. 8:25 a.m. 25 minutes after 8 or 25 minutes past 8. 8:30 a.m. half past 8 or 8:30. 8:35 a.m. 25 minutes before 9 or 25 minutes to 9. 8:40 a.m. 20 minutes before 9 or 20 minutes to 9. 8:45 a.m. 15 minutes before 9 or 15 minutes to 9. 8:50 a.m. 10 minutes before 9 or 10 minutes to 9. 8:55 a.m. 5 minutes before 9 or 5 minutes to 9. 8:59 a.m. 1 minute before 9 or 1 minute to 9.
'Please subscribe to our channel, share, like and comment. Also follow and save on Instagram page. Thank you and see you soon in next video.